As we grow old, skin starts showing signs of aging. It starts losing its natural elasticity, which leads to sagging. Collagen production in skin becomes slower and causing skin to sag. Fortunately, skin tightening can be done with simple and easy homemade remedies. Let us see amazing skin tightening packs. Remedy number 1, Multan Miiti mask. Required ingredients: Multan Miiti, also called as Fuller's Earth, milk, olive oil, and vitamin E oil. Now take 1 teaspoon of Multan Miiti to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to it. Add 2 teaspoons of milk and 1 vitamin E oil capsule. Now mix it well till it forms a thick paste. Now apply this pack all over the face and let it be for 15 to 20 minutes. Multan Miiti is excellent for the skin, and moreover this pack absorbs impurities, tightens pores and makes skin smooth and tight. One thing to remember when you are with this pack: not to talk, smile and do not stretch your cheeks because it may causes wrinkles on your face. Once this pack gets dry, wash your face with cold water. Repeat this twice a week for better results. Remedy 2, Banana Mask. Required ingredients: banana, lemon and honey. Peel off banana and cut into slices. Mash banana till it forms a thick paste. Now to this add 1 teaspoon of lemon, also add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix it well. Now apply this pack all over the face and leave it for 15 minutes. Banana is rich in iron, zinc, potassium and magnesium. It also rich in vitamins A, B, C and D. This pack smoothens and moisturizes your skin very effectively. It is the one of the best remedy for skin tightening, as its minerals and vitamins gives anti-aging properties. Once it gets dry, wash your face with cold water. Repeat this twice a week for better results. Remedy number 3, Coffee Mask. Required ingredients: coffee powder, cinnamon powder, sugar, and olive oil. Take 1 teaspoon of coffee powder to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. Now add pinch of cinnamon powder. Finally add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Mix it thoroughly till it forms a thick paste. Now apply this pack all over the face and leave it for 15 minutes. Caffeine present in coffee powder draws excessive moisture from the skin and eliminates fat deposits, and also makes your skin firm and tight. This pack is rich in antioxidants that slow down the skin aging process. Moreover, olive oil used in this pack will keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. Once the pack gets dry, wash your face with cold water. Repeat this twice a week for better results. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel.